So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and fix your Instagram uploads if for some reason the uploads are actually very bad quality. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, you might want to go through and just enable the upload at highest quality option within Instagram. So you can do that by making your way over into your profile page right here. So click on the bottom right profile page, then tap on the top right to get into your three lines up here. Then what you want to do is you want to scroll down until you find a little option that says something like data usage or something along those lines. There should be like a data usage option. And what you're going to want to do is there's going to be a little option somewhere right here under your app and media. You want to go ahead and find the media quality option. Tap on here. And then right here, you want to make sure this is enabled. Upload at highest quality. You want to make sure that little option is enabled, and that's going to allow you to upload your particular photos and images at the highest quality possible. That's probably going to be the best thing. Now also keep in mind, if you're uploading a photo on Instagram and the original source photo isn't that great of quality, then the photo itself that's uploaded to Instagram also is not going to be that great. So you're going to have to go through, make sure your photo on Instagram is properly good. Before even getting into Instagram, that can cause some issues. If that's still causing problems, you might just have to go through and update your Instagram application. So try going through right inside of your app store, try searching up the Instagram app. That could be another thing you might want to try doing. And that's also going to allow you to basically fix these types of issues that might end up happening. So that pretty much covers it up here. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.